So hi there, how are you doing? It is me Govinda from hostler.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can give access, the admin access on your Facebook page to someone that you want to give. Okay, so anyone that could be. So there are two ways, that you can give the admin access to someone of your Facebook page. So very first one is through the Facebook Business Manager. Okay, so you can give access to anyone or any type of access, including the admin access. Okay, that is from Facebook Business Manager. And the another access is admin access that you can easily give someone for your Facebook page. Okay, so you need to make sure that you're on the Facebook page. So I'm selecting this is my Facebook page. So to give access to someone from the Facebook page, the admin access, we need to click on this icon here, the account icon on the right side. So when you click on the account icon, then this small menu type opens. Okay, so you need to click here, security and privacy, and again you should click on setting here. So once you click on the setting button, then this is the new page is going to open for you. So here what you have to do is click on this third icon on the left side, right underneath the settings, the third one, new page experience. Click on it. Okay, so here you can see, as I already mentioned, you can give access from the Facebook Business Manager. I have already given it, so you can see that here. Okay, so you want to give access and the admin access to someone from Facebook page. So you should have you can do this from people with Facebook access. So it means the person that you want to give access to is with you on Facebook. Okay, so I mean they are a friend, or maybe you know their email address, so that should be there. Okay, so people with Facebook access, the very first one, click on add new here on the right side, and then this thing will be asked. You can hit next, and here either you can put your email address, or if you know their name and if you know they are there on Facebook with you, friends, then just simply put your name here. Okay, in this case I have just typed one name, I selected this, and here you can see the admin access, which means the admin has a full access. You know, anyone with full control can give access to others, remove anyone from the page including you, or delete the page. Admin access means the full access to this page. Okay, so you're giving the access to content, messages and calls, community activity, ads, and insight. Everything you are giving. Okay, now you know you were sure about these things you want to give, then select this one, toggle this on, and then give access. Okay, so here you need to put your email address, password. So once you put the password here and once you hit confirm button, the access will be sent to that person, and that person is going to be the admin of your page. And remember, that could be 2 or 3 admin as well. Okay, so there is no problem unless they remove you or you remove them. Okay, so that could be anyone and 2 or 3 admin. Okay, so that's it. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with a new video. Till then, bye bye.